When a rooster crows at the break of dawn, you know that something went terribly wrong.
Hi there, David Schaefer, President Quick. March 3rd, cold outside, but toasty inside the hoop house here at Fred and Helen Messner's Nature's Choice by Banana Farm. And their son Andre's here, and his partner in crime in the operation, Chris Paget. We're going to process about 24 roosters, 4-month-old roosters that turned out not to be layers. And we're going to use our new rotodunker. Let's see how it goes.
We're going to let the water temperature get up to about 155 degrees before we start in on these roosters. If you ever have to process birds in the winter time, it sure does help to have an indoor space that's comfortable like this and allows the water temperature to get hotter quicker. Notice I'm putting the birds in so their feet are toward the outside and they're less likely to move toward the way their feathers are laying, that is, they move toward their heads as they float through the water, and less likely to get hung up in the scalder. But these birds are long and gangly, and I have to tend the machine more than I'd like to, more than I would with Cornish crosses.
Ellen, am I doing it right?
Yeah, that's a loaded question, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Any response gets you a job.
This one seems to have more fat or connective tissue inside its cavity. The fat is the yellow, is that correct?
Yep.
Yeah, this one is pretty fatty.
Older birds like this are going to be a little bit harder to pick, but the advantage is that their skin is going to be tougher too, so they're less likely to get torn skin. I made a critical mistake here. This is just my third trial with the rotary dunker, and the mistake is the water level. If you'll see how high the water level is, the basket's not getting completely submerged. Consequently, some of these birds that didn't roll because they've got a very narrow breastbone and they're not going to roll like a Cornish cross, like a little bowling ball would. And they had part of their backsides that really didn't get taken underwater very much.
That looks pretty good.
Pretty cool over here. Feathers.
I gave her the bag to put the feathers in.
Oh,
They're clean.